Hey, hello everyone, my name is Ravindra and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are seeing the conversion function. This is part 2. If you not watched part 1, I will recommend you to go through it and watch. And also, if you not subscribed to channel, please subscribe. And having any questions, you can add in comment box. So, today we are seeing data URI to the binary function, encode URI components, decode URI components, then we have URI components and also URI component to string and URI component to binary. So these six functions we are seeing. So let's go to the make.power automate and learn first function data URI to the binary. So for this function, if you watch our last video, so in that we created a data URI by using please subscribe to our channel. Okay. So now let's we convert the same data URI to the binary format. Okay. So let's we go to the power fx data URI to the binary and from the dynamic content let's go data URI. Let's click on the add and let's click on the test. So we will get the string format result because in the designer we will get the URL in the string format, but when you are doing the API call or any other thing, in that case, you will get the binary format itself. Okay. So same thing we will get. Please subscribe to our channel. So our flow is running. You can see. So if you go to output, we can see please subscribe to the channel. And what we pass. So if you see here, so in the output, we have passed this URL. So if you open this URL in the browser as well, okay. So we can see the output as a play. Please subscribe to the channel. Here you can see. Hmm. So now let's go to our next function. Our next function is encode URI component. So before that, we'll use URI component function. Let's click on add compose. So you so URI component encodes a text like encode URI component, but also ensures whole URL is encoded properly, including reverse characters. So first we will see then encode URI component. Both functions we will see simultaneously. So we will get the output as well. So basically encode URI component encode a text string for use in URL, convert special characters into their percent encoded forms. So let's we go and pass here text as please. Let's click on the add and let's use this same one. Okay, URL component please. Let's click on the add here. Let's run the flow. Friends, you can see we simply encoded a URI component where we are going to paste. So it is converted into percent sign 20 percent sign 20. If you see in our URL also, so we will receive the same pattern. So in my name, okay, so I give on paste. So paste is represented by percent sign 20 and percent sign 20. So here the same thing we receive. Okay. Now if you go to the URI component, so here also we receive the same output. So now let's we go to the next one, decode URI component. So what basically this function does, this function simply decode the URL component. So let's see what output we are getting. So that %20% 20 will remove. Let's see. So in the output you can see we receive the output as well. Please subscribe to the channel. Now let's go to our second last function, uriComponent to string. So basically this function also does the similar thing for us. Okay, it will convert the path into an string format. So let's we go to the power effects, use your uriComponent to string. Let's go to the dynamic content, add uriComponent. Let's run the flow and let's see what output we are getting. So friends, you can see we successfully receive a URI into a string format. So now our last function is URI component to binary. So let's see that. So let's pass the URI component. So same output we will get here because in the designer it will use the binary format in the string. Okay. So friends, you can see our flows run successfully and in the output we receive the same thing. Okay, please subscribe to the channel as I mentioned. So friends, if you have any question, any doubt, please let me know in the comment box and please watch entire series. If you have any questions, you can let us know in the comment box. Thank you friends. Have a nice day to you.